Before you buy another tube of paint, try limiting your palette first. I know that's probably not what you expect to hear from an artist whose studio is full of paint. But for a long time, I thought better painting would come from having more colors. So I kept buying more and more. But what I eventually learned was that understanding a few colors well is way more valuable than owning dozens of them. Hi, I'm Fifi, an abstract painter. And here I share my painting process and the way I think through color and layers. A lot of beginners think they need more paint. I used to think that too. That's why my studio is now full of paint. But honestly, these days, most of it sits in the drawers. What I actually discovered is having more colors doesn't necessarily improve my paintings. In fact, having too many choices can actually make it harder to learn how colors work together. Try to work with three colors and white and see what happens. I think you'll notice the difference. A limited palette teaches you how to pay attention to color mixing, value, contrast, and harmony. So instead of reaching for another tube every time you need different colors, learn how to mix it yourself. So as you do, you'll start to understand how colors interact with each other. And that's when you really begin to develop control over your color choices. I'll be making more videos about color mixing and color harmony, so stay tuned. Before you buy more paint, spend some time exploring colors you already have. You might be surprised by how much you can create with just a few tubes. So save your money for something else. Paint is expensive.